Hey guys, it's me Courtney from Courtney Sweets, and today we're making my hot wing recipe. This is a baked wing recipe and sure to please.
Okay guys, in this bowl I have a little bit of flour, cayenne powder, garlic, pepper, and salt. And I'm just gonna mix that with my hand. I'm wearing gloves because it's much easier for me to just take them off and not have to wash my hands after touching the wings. So I'm putting the wings right into this mixture. I'm gonna dry them off, and then whatever coats them, that'll be our breading mixture. And we're going to be baking these so they're gonna be nice and crispy without putting them in the fryer. Okay guys, so we have our flour mixture, and now I have these chicken wings. This is gonna be just regular chicken wings you can get in the store. You can get them frozen or fresh. I get them fresh. And then what I do is I take a piece of paper towel and I put them all on the paper towel, and then I take a paper towel and put them on top just to make sure they're dry and the breading mixture is going to stick. And then I'm just gonna roll them in this breading mixture, and then I'm gonna take them and put them right onto the pan. I'm using a sheet pan with parchment paper and then also a baking rack, so this way that the heat comes up and over the wings. So it's cooking them almost like air frying. And you're gonna fry it all around your wing. I'm just gonna sit here and dredge these wings in the flour mixture and just put them right onto the pan. And just keep doing it until all your wings are nicely coated in this flour mixture. Now, while chicken wings are fatty, they will brown in the oven a little. Spray them lightly with a little bit of spray. Very lightly, like not coating these things in spray, just lightly. And that's it. So now I'm gonna put these in the oven, let them crisp up, and then once they're done, we're gonna toss them in some hot wing sauce. Melted a half a stick of butter, and then I'm going to take a cup of hot sauce and just pour it right into the melted butter. I don't really need this to be hot because I'm gonna be tossing the wings, but you can heat this up if you'd like. But since I heated the butter, it's kind of warming it up. That's all I really need it to do. And then I'm just gonna put this with the hot wings. So here you'll see my wings are just fresh out of the oven. They're very hot and they're nice and crispy. They have a little coating because of that flour. And I'm just gonna put them in a bunch of sauce, and they come right off of the pan, which is great. So they're not sticking too much. Perfect. And you don't need to fry it. One reason I really like to bake our chicken wings is because look at all that. I am not putting fat into them, and I'm taking the fat out of them, which is great. So that's another reason why I like to do it this way. So now I'm just gonna take the sauce and pour it over the wings, and then we're gonna toss the wings. So what I'm gonna do is just pick up this bowl. I'm gonna take two hands and just toss them. You can see that they're coated. So now you can either put these back into the oven or serve them just like this. So I baked them again in the sauce, and I'm just gonna toss them a little bit more in the sauce. And now they're ready to plate. You can bake them a third time to have even more sauce, but this is just enough for us. And here you have our crispy, delicious, baked buffalo chicken wings. We hope you enjoy this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe for more recipes.